Hello everyone, I'm Grace Frazier, and I'm here today to talk to you about a helpful feature in SOLIDWORKS I discovered while conducting usability tests. The audience of this presentation is anyone still wondering whether SOLIDWORKS or SketchUp is the better 3D modeling software. After conducting 10 different tasks, as well as grading these tasks on a Likert scale, SOLIDWORKS has come up victorious in being the best program. One feature I found to be very helpful while conducting these experiments is the Extrude and Extruded cut features. I'll be demonstrating these today in SOLIDWORKS, as it's the better program to conduct them in. In order to use the Extrude, you first have to create a sketch, which I have already done here. If you look up to the top of the screen, you can find the toolbar. I'm currently in the Sketching tab. In order to extrude the sketch, I have to go to the Features tab and select the Extruded Boss Base button. Once here, I'm going to change the depth to 10 millimeters and hit OK. Now we have taken what was a two-dimensional sketch and made it into a three-dimensional part. Now time to demonstrate the extruded cut feature. For this, I'm quickly going to make a sketch on top of the plane that we just created. To do this, I'm going to go back to the sketch part of the toolbar and hit the sketch button. From there, I'm going to grab a rectangle right here and quickly create a free-handed rectangle on top of this. And then after that, I'm going to hit OK. Now we're going to go back to the Features tab and hit the Extruded Cut button located right here. For the sake of this, I'm going to choose 5 millimeters. After selecting that, I'm going to hit OK. And as you can see, it's taken our original product and taken a chunk out of it about 5 millimeters deep. This is just a small part of what makes SOLIDWORKS such a powerful tool, and why it will continue to be the best 3D modeling software. Thank you for watching.